Do it again, Winston. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you like that. Go back in for some more? Yeah, yeah, you like that. That's the good stuff right there. You gonna get some more? Yeah? Oh, there you go, there you go. Guys, change paws? Yeah? You like that soup. Everybody likes eating germ soup.
He's dripping it.
You're just making a mess out of that. You're just dripping that everywhere.
Why didn't you just stick his head in there?
Too funny. But he always
One
sticks his
more.
tongue in, like, his cups and stuff.
Y'all done?